Breaking news. Osun local government polls will hold on Saturday as planned, Governor Adeleke says. Exactly. What Lateef Fagbemi is saying, I don't understand. They just went now to procure appeal court judgment because that is what APC does. Any judgment that comes from APC, and why is Fagbemi quick to comment on the appeal court judgment rather than allowing it to be? What is his business there? What is his business? Is he in the executive arm of government? Is he in the judiciary arm of government? We agree, but what is his business? As Attorney General Federation, he represents the federal government. In fact, his office is a political appointment because it's not fully in the judiciary per se. Even though it's Attorney General, it's like a lawyer representing federal government. So what is your business there? I don't understand. So Governor Ademola Adeleke has announced that the local government elections in Osun State will proceed as scheduled on Saturday, despite tensions between the People Democratic Party and the opposition All Progressive Congress APC. The governor's position was made known in a statement issued on Friday by spokesperson Malam Olawale Rashid. The announcement follows the recent ruling by the Court of Appeal, which reinstated APC-backed local government officials previously sacked by the state government. The court's decision fueled disputes between the two major parties over control of the local government council. Earlier on Thursday, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister for Justice Lateef Fagbemi had cautioned Governor Adeleke against conducting the election. He argued that the reinstatement of the sacked local government officials by the Court of Appeal meant their terms was still valid until October 2025. According to Fagbemi, holding another election will violate the Constitution. Can you imagine? Now they know. Now they're talking about violating Constitution. He has become a judge in this matter now. In local government election, this is not a federal government matter. This is a state government matter. So what is the business of Fagbemi in it? That is the question. He's protecting the APC interest. So he said, notwithstanding the judgment of the Court of Appeal referenced above, which in effect means that the term of the office of the elected officials has regained currency and will naturally run out in October 2025. His Excellency has insisted that a new local government election shall be held on Saturday, 22nd February 2025. Any such election that may be held will not only be invalid since the term of the office of the elected officials just restored by the judgment of the Court of Appeal will still be running until October 2025, it will also amount to an egregious breach of the Constitution, which Governor Adeleke has sworn to uphold. Again, the recent judgment of the Supreme Court, which has validated and entrenched local government autonomy, also strengthens the obligation of the Governor Adeleke to ensure smooth, non-violent transition from one elected official to another in accordance with the statutorily prescribed 3-year tenure. So now, Lateef Fagbemi is quick to see the Constitution in this Osun State matter. But look at what is happening in Edo State local government, where the local government chairman were suspended. He has not said anything. Now look at the case of the local government and the House of Assembly raging in Rivers State. He didn't say anything. Look at the Assembly matter raging in Lagos State. He didn't say anything. But he's quick to speak to that of Osun State. There must be something they're looking for there. That is the thing. How has he become the judge now to ensure enforcement of judgment on the Osun State election? Meanwhile, we have more serious issue bedevailing the Nigerian government, and they are not doing anything about it. Oh, wow, for these people, I'm telling you. So it is therefore of utmost importance for Governor Adeleke to advise Osun State Independent Electoral Commission, OSIC, to shelve the idea of proceeding with any local government election now. However, speaking during a meeting with the delegation of civil society organizations in Osogbo, Governor Adeleke reassured the public that the Osun State Independent Electoral Commission was fully prepared for the election. Exactly. And why? Now, Osun State have been preparing for this election now for some months now. The court did not release the judgment. They did not do anything about it. Fagbemi did not say anything. Now, 2 days to the election, judgment is coming out, and Fagbemi is speaking, so that all the money that had been budgeted and been spent, why did you allow Osun State to spend all of that money, okay, preparing for the election? Is that not a loss for the state? And now you are coming today that the election is already prepared, materials have been distributed, everything is ready to say stop election. This Fagbemi and this federal government self, I don't understand. If you knew and you were proactive enough, why did you wait till this time for this judgment to come out? Why didn't you stop the election or release that judgment early enough when the preparation started, so that they won't spend money preparing and buying material? Now INEC has spent money, state government has spent money to put materials in place. Materials have been distributed. You are telling them at the 11th hour, die minute, to stop election. These people, this Fagbemi, he needs to check what he's doing. So now, Adeleke is speaking. He said, I welcome you all to Osun State. Our people are prepared for election tomorrow. They yearn to have their choices as chairman and councillors. OSIC has also done marvelous preparatory job according to reports at my disposal. Several political parties are participating, and I believe there will be a level playing ground for all to test their popularity with the masses. The statement quoted the governor as saying to the visiting activist, my advice to all parties, including local and national stakeholders, is to abide by democratic norms. As for me and my people, we stand by the rule of law, not illegal self-help. So election is going to hold, and the outcome will be a fast-tracked development at the local level. I urge our people to remain peaceful. Osun is truly a peaceful state, Governor Adeleke added. My worry is, why did this appeal court wait until election is ready to be conducted before issuing this judgment? And why is Fagbemi quick to reacting to that judgment, trying to issue another controversial statement? Because they have met and they have asked him to issue that statement so it will throw confusion into the election. They want to just mess up things, I'm telling you, for that state. That matter has been there, and Adeleke has been in power for over a year now, going to 2 years. And he has been, on this election preparation all along. Why didn't you stop it? Why now? This APC government, they have real problem people. Real problem people.